A 21st century span, framing a 20th century landmark. Meet the Mike O'Callahan, Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge, and Hoover Dam Bypass. World-class engineering, record-setting construction. Delivered on time and on budget. The largest concrete arch bridge in the Western Hemisphere, atop the highest precast segmented columns in the world. 1,900 feet long, 88 feet wide, 900 feet above the Colorado River. Built by more than 1,200 trade craft workers and 400 engineers. Built by the men and women of the U.S. transportation design and construction industry. A bridge that links two states, solves mobility challenges, eliminates traffic congestion, facilitates economic growth, improves safety and security, and sets a new standard for transportation projects nationwide. Want to see more record-setting projects like this? Tell Congress to pass the Highway Transit Bill now.